It genuinely blows my mind that people aren't using these simple strategies to get monetized on YouTube faster. I just monetized one of my newest Faceless YouTube channels in under 30 days by applying these techniques, and I did that to prove to you that this is not luck. I've been running successful Faceless YouTube channels since I was in high school, and I know for a fact that growing successful YouTube channels is more than just luck. And these strategies are exactly how I'm running over a dozen different Faceless YouTube channels that got me play buttons just like this. And my absolute fastest record for getting monetized on a brand new channel and meeting the threshold of 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers, which allows you to put ads on your videos and then you in turn get a cut of that ad revenue, is in just under 2 weeks. In 13 days, I was able to enter the YouTube Partner Program, which is absolutely insane, and most channels do not do it that fast. Now at this point you might be saying, Matt, 4,000 hours watch time, 1,000 subscribers, isn't it going to take forever to reach those milestones? For example, my personal channel that you're watching right now, Make Money Matt, it gets nearly 4,000 hours of watch time every single day. And let's say each one of those videos has an average view duration of about 50%. And in order to get 4,000 hours of watch time, you would only need 40,000 views. Now you might be saying, Matt, 40,000 sounds like a huge number, but it's really not if we break it down between 30 different videos, if we take a whole month uploading a new video daily. Typically what I've seen across my YouTube channels is that around 90% of the views come from only 10% of my videos. So even if a lot of your videos barely get any views, if you only have a couple pop off, you can still hit that 40,000 total views across your channel 100%. And also, most of your first videos are barely going to get any views, but then a couple may explode if you implement the right strategies. They might be thinking, Matt, that sounds great, but what about the 1,000 subscribers I have to get? Well, you see, on average, for YouTube channels, the average channel has a 1 to 3% view to subscriber ratio. Now for my Faceless channels, it's more like 1%, whereas on my personal channel right here, it's upwards of 3%. Let's say you get 2 subscribers for every 100 views that you get. So for those 40,000 views that we estimated, if just 2% of people subscribe, you're going to get 800 subscribers, which pretty much brings you all the way there. However, not many people actually go in with a plan and a strategy, and I want that to be different for you. You see, a common mistake that a lot of YouTubers make when they're first starting on the platform is guessing what is going to work and what's not. But a huge advantage that you can have if you're just starting a channel is to just not guess. And if you see multiple videos on a certain subject that you're thinking about doing, getting over 100,000 views, then check that box. And this may seem trivial, but this is actually how you get monetized on YouTube fast. And this is something not a lot of people think about, and it's a little bit outside the box, but trust me, this works amazing. Once you find a few good video ideas on some different channels, consider combining them into a single video. For example, on my personal channel you're watching right here, my 2 top videos are the laziest way to make money online, and then also how to make money on YouTube without making videos. Well, if we do some thinking here, we could do a title similar to laziest way to make money on YouTube without making videos. If they're within a single niche, this could be a match made in heaven, and you can take inspiration from already viral YouTube channels. So let's say you're starting a Faceless YouTube channel, like a lot of my audience is, and let's say you're going into the travel retirement niche, which helps people figure out which countries are the best to retire in, of combining 2 already popular videos. What you can essentially do is take a look at a few of these videos, like if we're going through here. As you can see, one of the videos is 10 easiest countries to retire comfortably, and another top video is 15 safest countries to live. So what if we combine them and we did 15 safest countries to retire comfortably, right? So I just want to show that this concept works for all types of channels, for evergreen content, and if you're combining topics within a single niche. However, you can even look outside of your niche to see what into secret number 3, which is if you see titles, thumbnails, and topics working well on other people's channels, they could potentially do really well for you also. For example, if you see that within your niche there's a lot of text in thumbnails, or the contrary, if you see that faces in thumbnails seem to do good within your niche, make sure to model that and double down on what works and cut out what doesn't. Now you're probably asking, Matt, if I do all this and model what works, how is my video going to stand out? Isn't it going to just be one among thousands of other videos out there on YouTube that are the exact same? And here's how you can make your videos more valuable. And this will in turn help you get monetized way faster as well, because at the end of the day, the algorithm is literally just a reflection of people watching it to a large degree. And it's pretty easy in theory to make your videos very valuable, and here's how you do it. What you do is open up 3 of the top videos within the topic that you're thinking about, and then watch through each video. Sometimes I like to do this at 2x speed, and write down all the top points from all 3 of the top videos. And then incorporate these points into the scripts in your videos, and you will give 10 times the amount of value as any one of those videos, because it'll all be in one content for your desired end audience. Another great strategy is to go into the comment section of those videos, see what questions people have, any additional comments or concerns or anything like that, and make sure to answer those or include those within the video to give that additional value. All we're really modeling is, for example, the packaging of the video and the video idea itself, but our video will stand out by a ton if we implement this secret that I just shared with you. Secret number 4 is to upload 30 to 60 videos on your channel per week. And if you really want to take this seriously, you can do daily content if you can produce valuable content as well. Because our worst case scenario is uploading tons of content to YouTube just to find out you can't even monetize it in the first place. This is typically content like TikTok compilations or YouTube compilations where you don't change anything else in the video and you're just re-uploading sports clips or something like that. But essentially my checklist for making sure that your videos can get monetized is the following. And this in part means giving additional value in the form of your commentary on that video and making it suitable for a different market than the original video was intended for. And now secret number 6, which will help your videos explode and get monetized way faster, is taking one of the juiciest, best parts of your video and putting it at the very beginning of your video in order to hook people and get their attention. And another thing you can do is mention how at the end of the video, there's this extra hidden value that will make them want to watch through to the end of that video. For example, if you're making a video about the top 10 fastest cars, you might want to say something like, and just wait for number 2 and especially number 1. And for example, if a video has a 75% audience retention rate at the beginning of the video and 50% or more in the middle, it's very likely to go viral across many niches. Obviously, every niche is different and every circumstance is different, but these are the averages that I found after uploading hundreds of videos with over 1 million views each. And another thing you can do is ask a question towards the beginning of your video that then you immediately answer, and then another question rises up and you answer that one right after that, which is kind of what I'm doing with this video. And essentially the way of structuring these videos really just provides the end viewer with more value, and that's what we're trying to do at the end of the day. If people want to be entertained, you hook them and then you give them a payoff. If people want to learn something, you ask questions that they're going to want to know about and you invoke curiosity, and then you answer those questions and then ask the next logical question and then answer that. So you're giving people value along the way and also building up to a bigger payoff in the end. Like for this video, for example, your big payoff will be to get your channel monetized or get another one of your channels monetized. And the reason this is important for getting your channels monetized is that if people watch your videos longer, they do better in the algorithm and you'll hit those milestones faster. Now, secret number 7 is to make longer videos, because longer videos will accrue more watch time on average. Even if you only get 10% audience retention on a 1-hour video, boom, you just got 6 minutes of watch time. Also, for videos longer than 8 minutes, you can put multiple ad breaks throughout your video, and that will allow you, once you get monetized, to make way more money. But you don't just want to make longer videos for the sake of them being longer. For example, I've had lots of videos blow up that are sub 10 minutes, that are 5 minutes long. For example, one of the top videos here on Make Money Matt's only about 5 minutes long. What you want to do if you do go ahead and make longer content is to fill that content with extra value. Videos at every length can go viral because it's all relative and there's more factors within the algorithm. If people go from one of your videos to another one of your videos. But if you want to get monetized fast, consider just making a couple of longer videos to see how they do. Now, secret number 8 is to get monetized before you ever even get monetized. And trust me, I know that sounds absolutely crazy, and you're probably asking, how in the world would I ever do that? And the answer is that you just have to implement a simple strategy, which I'm going to be sharing with you right now. You see, on this channel you're watching right now, I was able to monetize this channel with only 5 videos on it. And I started making hundreds of dollars per day before the channel ever got monetized with ads. With alternative monetization sources. That means that it's charging over $500, so you'll get at least $250 every sale you refer. And digital product means that it can be fulfilled digitally. Now, I have an online course called Tube Mastery, and we've paid out over $600,000 to affiliates, and a lot of those affiliates are directly here on YouTube, so that can certainly work to make a lot of money. And I personally make over $10,000 a month with affiliate marketing on my channels. Now, secret number 9 is to jump into your YouTube analytics and look at a couple key statistics. So once you get about 30 videos uploaded on your YouTube channel, it's vitally important that you look into what's working, what's not, and then improve on the next batch of videos. So the way you do that is jump into your channel just like I'm here right now, and then go on over to your analytics, and specifically what you want to go to is the content tab right here, and you want to see what your channel average click-through rate is. This is what % of people click to watch your video as opposed to all of the other videos out there that they come across. You can see what other videos that your audience is watching to give you more video ideas, and those are the key statistics to look at. Pick a niche that's been proven to work on YouTube, post at least 30 videos to your channel, and stay consistent with an upload schedule. Search and analyze the data from those 30 videos to map out